Hi everyone! I'm Amy Grace, isang homeschooling mompreneur na kumikita habang nasa bahay, and welcome to our Shopee Affiliate Series. Kung hindi mo pa napanood ang mga previous videos ng ating series, ilalagay ko ito sa description ng video. And if you're new here, welcome to Graceful Homeschooling. Here we help moms and creatives like you build a home-based income one step at a time. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano mag-sign up sa Shopee Affiliate Program. So may dashboard ka na rin, marunong ka nang gumawa ng affiliate links, at may idea ka na kung anong products ang best i-promote. So, the next big question is, paano ko siya ipopost in a way na hindi ako mukhang nagbebenta? Paano ko siya gagawing natural and helpful at nakakakumbinse kahit mahiyain ako at wala akong malaking following? So that's exactly what we will talk about today. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step kung paano gumawa ng content na may kinikita, whether busy ka man, shy ka, or beginner ka pa lang into content creation. Don't worry, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling sa camera. Ang kailangan mo lang ay heart to serve, kwento to tell, and konting strategy para ma-convert ang viewers mo into buyers. So, ready ka na? Let's get started. So, let's start with the most important mindset sa paggawa ng content as Shopee Affiliate. Huwag kang basta magbenta lang, magturo ka, mag-share ka ng story. Alam mo kung bakit maraming Shopee Affiliate posts ang hindi nagkiklik? It's because they go straight to bili na without building trust and connection. So, remember this, people don't go online para bentahan sila. They go online para matuto ng bagong bagay, maaliw o ma-entertain, makahanap ng solusyon sa problema nila. Kaya instead of saying, bili na, 99 pesos lang, why not try this instead? So example, mommies, ito yung ginagamit ko na homeschool planner. Sobrang nakatulong talaga to sa schedule namin. I-link ko ito below kung gusto nyo rin makita. See the difference? Hindi mo sila pinipilit bumili. Pinapakita mo lang kung paano ito nakatulong sa'yo. And that's called value first content. So, ang content mo ay nagbibigay muna ng tip, story, or insight bago mo ipasok ang affiliate link. So, it's subtle, sincere, and more effective in the long run. So, ito pa yung ibang mga examples. Ito yung hack ko sa pag-organize ng homeschool materials. Under 300 pesos lang ito sa Shopee. Or kaya naman ay kung naghahanap kayo ng pang-budget meal prep tool, ito, try nyo, super sulit ito for moms like us. So, before ka mag-click ng post, always ask yourself, may value ba ako na binibigay sa kanila? Am I sharing something helpful or just selling something? Once you embrace this mindset, mapapansin mo na mas maraming nag-i-inquire sa'yo, mas maraming nagkiklik, mas maraming bumabalik sa content mo. And because that's the power of serving first, then recommending next. Now, let's talk about tested and friendly content formats. Mga simple pero effective na paraan para maipakita mo ang Shopee affiliate links mo without looking like you're hard selling. Ito yung mga proven styles na ginagamit ko rin. And yes, even kung cellphone lang ang gamit mo, pwede mo pa rin itong gawin sa inyong mga bahay. Number 1 ay product review. So, pakita mo kung paano ginagamit ang item in real life. So, hindi naman kailangan sobrang ganda ng setup mo. Ang importante, totoo, at relatable. So, ang tip ko dito, gamitin ang talking hand style. Kung nahihiya ka na magpakita ng mukha, ipakita mo ang product mo habang ginagamit mo, habang nagsasalita ka, or may text overlay. Number 2 ay unboxing videos. Alam nyo ba na yung raw and real is powerful? So, kahit cellphone lang yung gamit nyo, basta malinaw ang video at authentic yung reaction mo, makaka-relate agad ang viewers mo. So, pwede mo lang din i-record habang binubuksan mo yung Shopee parcel mo sa table. So, ang tip ko sa inyo ay sabihin mo agad kung saan mo nabili, anong price, at kung sulit ba siya para sa budget ni mommy. So, number 3 ay Boodle lists or product roundup. So, sample title, top 3 Shopee finds ko ngayong May. So, pwedeng i-share mo as a video, carousel post, or mga slideshow man ito. So, sa dulo ng caption or sa pinned comment, ilagay mo lang yung full links sa caption. Or kaya naman, check mo yung link sa bio para makita mo lahat. So, alam nyo ba na yung mga tao, mahilig sila sa madali ng piliin ng mga recommendation. Kaya, lists work really well. Number 4 ay tutorials or how I use it. So, mas malaki ang chance na bumili ang audience kung nakikita nilang ginagamit mo talaga yung product. So, ito yung sample natin. Paano ko inayos ang homeschool shelf gamit ang 250 pesos organizer from Shopee? So yan, show before and after or step by step kung paano mo siya ginamit. And don't forget to say, nasa link sa bio kung gusto nyo rin subukan. Number 5 ay life clip. So ito yung isa sa pinaka-effective at easiest to do. So mag-film ka lang ng mga snippets of your daily life, preparing food, homeschooling, cleaning, working, tapos casually mention the product sa caption or voice over. So example nito ay, part ng morning routine ko itong coffee mug from Shopee, matibay na, aesthetic pa. Nasa caption yung link, mami. So kung mahiyain ka, okay lang yan. Use voiceover or text captions. Let the story speak. Okay, so let's get real. Ano ba talaga ang nagpapaklik sa mga affiliate links mo? It's not the background, it's not the lighting, and definitely not the bilhin na caption. It's trust. And paano mabubuo ang trust? By being honest, consistent, and relatable. So hindi mo kailangan maging influencer. Ang kailangan mo lang ay totoong kwento at totoong experience. So hindi mo kailangan ng perfect background kahit nasa kusina ka or nakaupo ka lang sa sala. Okay lang yan. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng mamahaling camera. Phone lang, sapat na yan. Ang kailangan mo ay yung totoo mong kwento bilang isang mommy or bilang affiliate. So here's an example. Mga mommies, totoo ha, akala ko gimmick lang tong dish rack na to. Ang daming nagsasabi na useful siya, pero skeptic ako. Pero now, after 2 weeks of using it, hindi ko na kaya na wala ito sa kitchen namin. So share ko na lang yung link nito down in the comment section. Ganyan lang kasimple. You're not forcing anyone to buy. You're just sharing your experience, and in doing so, you're positioning yourself as someone they can trust. Why authenticity matters more than perfection? Kasi kapag nakita ng audience mo na pareho pala kayo ng struggles, pareho kayo ng budget, pareho kayo ng lifestyle, mas madali silang makikinig sa inyo, mas madali sila na magtitiwala sa inyo, at mas malaki ang chance na i-click nila ang link mo. Now, remember this line, authenticity over perfection. Don't wait to be ready. Don't wait for perfect lighting. Just share from the heart and people will feel it. Now, let's talk about posting strategy naman. Post 2 to 3 times a week. Hindi kailangan araw-araw. So halimbawa, pag Monday, pwede kang maglagay ng product tip. Pag Wednesday, Boodle list. Pag Friday, unboxing or short review. So gamitin mo lang itong mga platforms na to. Facebook personal profile, IG stories, TikTok, YouTube shorts, pwede mo din gamitin. Or even yung Messenger for personal recommendations. Lagi mo lang din tandaan ang isang helpful post, pwedeng paulit-ulitin ito at maging evergreen content. So ngayon, alam mo na, it's not about being salesy, but it's about being helpful. Gamitin mo ang motherhood journey mo as your platform. So if this video helped you, comment Content Mom below. At kung gusto mo pa ng mas malalim na training on building your brand and turning your knowledge into a real income, check out my full course, Papers to Profits. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you sa next video. And remember, you can earn from home one post at a time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again on my next one. God bless everyone, and I will see you. Bye!